Our time is limited. In addition to the classes, we also visited some famous places in Halifax. We experienced the excitement of Pride Parade Festival, learned history in Canadian Immigration Museum, felt proud of Halifax's Natal Day, overlooked the whole city in Citadel Hill, and enjoyed the scenery of Peggy's Cove. Peggy's Cove, the most beautiful place, is like a fairy tale romance, giving us wonderful and unforgettable memory. Clean sky, blue sea, white clouds, lovely birds, golden sunshine, light lighthouse, all are perfect. Lying on the rocks, we heard the sound of ocean wave, felt the gentle sea wind. The world around us become quiet and peaceful. It is so great for us. The memory of Halifax in July and August is worth remembering forever. Of course, we'll keep it in mind forever.
Created using Powtoon.